NewMum Professional Baby Essentials Kit BPA-free medical by NewMum is one of the best sellers among baby medicine dispensers products. Material: made from eco-friendly PP and BPA-free food-grade silicone, non-toxic material, no phthalates, no cadmium, no lead or heavy metals. Includes nipple-style medicine dispenser, dropper-type medicine dispenser, needle-type medicine dispenser, nasal sucking device for baby, ear cleaner and storage box. Easy to use, helps you take care of your child's medical needs, safe, easy, and accurate way to dispense liquid medicine. Easy to carry, with storage box to facilitate collection and out to carry, effectively solve the baby when the various troubles, easy to feed medicines. Perfect gift, for first-time mums. As a practical gift. Feature: 1. With nipple-style medicine dispenser, dropper-type medicine dispenser, needle-type medicine dispenser, 3 modes feeding device for the mother to choose, according to the baby age, preferences, feeding dose, convenience. 2. Nose suction device can effectively relieve the nasal congestion, effectively avoid the baby nose injury. 3. Ear cleaner will not scratch the baby's skin, easy to suck dirty things, with a dust cover, to avoid infection of bacteria. Precautions: do not use corrosive chemicals to clean. Do not place the product on the long side of the fire source. Cannot use any part as a toy. When not in use, placed where children cannot reach. Before the first use and after each use, please thoroughly clean with water, dry water and placed in a cool place to dry. Please placed in boiling water. Disinfection 3 minutes. Sterilized by boiling for a long time may cause deformation. Size: nipple-style medicine dispenser, height 8.4 cm, width 4.6 cm. Nose suction device, height 8.6 cm, width 4 cm. Ear suction device, height 9.4 cm, width 2.1 cm. Dropper-type medicine dispenser, length 13.2 cm, width 2.2 cm. Needle-type medicine dispenser, length 12.5 cm, width 7.7 cm, thickness 8.5 cm. Package include 1 PCS baby care set, 6 PCS,